Ever wondered how to register your startup in India? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel the complexities and simplify the process for you. First up, we need to talk about selecting the right business structure. This could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLP, or a private limited company. Each comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. So understanding these is key to choosing the right fit for your startup. Next, we navigate the maze of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. From reserving your unique company name to filing the necessary incorporation documents, each step is a crucial part of the process. Getting the details right here is important to ensure a smooth registration. Now let's talk about the paperwork. Every startup needs to have its documentation in order and comply with various regulations. From maintaining proper records to adhering to the law, we'll cover what you need to know to keep your startup on the right side of the law. Moving on, we'll discuss obtaining the necessary licenses and permits for your startup. Every industry has specific requirements, and we'll shed light on how to navigate this bureaucratic maze efficiently. Next, we'll delve into the world of tax obligations. From obtaining a permanent account number for your startup to registering for taxes, understanding and complying with tax regulations is key to running a successful and sustainable business. Finally, we'll talk about opening a business bank account and explore potential funding avenues for your startup. Managing your finances effectively is crucial, and we'll provide tips on how to do just that. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to registering your startup in India. Remember, each step is a building block for your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this guide helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. Best of luck with your exciting venture. As we conclude, we hope you now have a clear roadmap to registering your startup in India. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, do drop them in the comments below. Until next time, here's to your entrepreneurial success.